Alright, welcome back to the Land Rover Fans Augusta channel. This is Todd. Hey, today I want to just make a quick video. I wanted to show everyone my challenges with my Land Rover Discovery 2. As you see, my front bumper is cracked. The plastic has gotten so brittle that there's not even any point to even doing a hot staple repair or even epoxy repair of any kind, of even fiberglass or anything like that, because the rest of the bumper is almost like a glass plate or a glass piece of china at this point. The plastic is just so gone. It doesn't look bad from here, but to be honest, if you would touch it and hear the way it sounds, it almost sounds, like I said, like plate glass. It is that brittle. So it's barely hanging on there. It's probably not going to last too much longer. You know, with this rough suspension on the Land Rover Discovery, mine is factory still. I plan to get that upgraded. I am still missing my A-pillars, but I have to get my windshield replaced. But as you can see, my rear bumper disintegrated. I was out mountain biking, and I pulled the rear spare off, put on my bike rack, bumped the bumper with the tire, putting it in the rear, and it just shattered. Like, it just disintegrated. I mean, I couldn't believe it. But I mean, that plastic is so brittle and hard. Like I said, it's just, I can't even do like a hot staple repair. I mean, at this point, it's just gonna start cracking everywhere else and just spider webbing, like I said, like glass. It's just gonna start shattering. Yeah, so I have my bike rack here. It's something I built last year for a mountain bike, and it's just an old recycled bike rack I got from a yard sale. And I got some C-clamps, put it on a piece of plywood, and there you go. Pretty easy. Works actually really good. I actually enjoyed building it, and it works actually very good, believe it or not. And I can just take it off and you know, reuse it on a car if I had to. Just 4 screws, 4 bolts, and I could just remove it if I needed to. But right now it's just mainly made for the Land Rover. And as you can see, I've got more hairline cracks on the right rear bumper. So I just wanted to ask everyone if anyone could make comments below. I need part numbers, I need suggestions. If everyone could give their feedback below, that'd be great. I want to hear them, I want to read them. What you all have done for your Land Rovers or any other type of vehicle, websites to go to, manufacturers, different types of bumpers, maybe other than steel, but I'm pretty sure mostly you're gonna see a lot of steel bumper suggestions. But yeah, here it is. That's really all the video I have right now. All the content, I am working on some more additional content, but you will see here shortly. I have some more work. I got to do some more undercoating. I need to do the exhaust flanges. So I'm starting to get rained on right here as well. So everyone, make sure you subscribe, like. If I don't see you, you'll see me, and we'll see you on the next one.